Over the last 100 years, if you can see, our lifespan has increased. But somehow we failed miserably to increase our health span. And health span defines as a period of time a person remains healthy, not just alive. I'll give you an example. When you're walking up the stairs, the first few steps are relatively easy regardless of our age. But the last few steps are difficult, right? And it gets increasingly difficult as we age. At Juvion, this is exactly what we look into. Neurons in our brain communicate with our muscles constantly, and that enables us to act on demand. As we age, these communications get deteriorated. It happens so silently, most of the time it is unnoticed until it's crossed its threshold. And that leads to immobility, falls, hospitalization, social isolations. It diminishes the quality of life. My name is Sam Banerjee. I'm a neuroscientist by training, CEO and co-founder of Juvion Health Sciences. Together with our team, we have shown this communication deterioration can be prevented. And if we do so, it can improve or preserve our mobility as we age. Conceptually, this has never been explored. So we are bringing a first clinically backed, patent-protected solution from natural compound to tackle this challenge now. So far, we're able to obtain letter of intent tractions from Fortune 500 companies, multi-billion-dollar companies. We are here to develop strong networks and distribution partnerships so that we can bring this solution across various regions in the world so that we can tackle this challenge now by improving mobility in millions of people worldwide.